Bonnie, happy Friday. I am back. Happy Groundhog Day. I've got more Goose Creek candle to talk about. Oh my goodness. They released more candles. Seriously. I'm like, oh my goodness. We have a lot of sets to talk about. So currently I am burning the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I'm not going to pick this one up because it is full on huge wax pull here, and I don't want to burn myself. But we're going to talk about it. But first, we're going to talk about the new candles. So they just released either yesterday or today, really pretty jars. We have Georgia Peach. We have Orange Grove Tree. We have Homemade Cherry Pie. Buttered Blueberry Scone. That one looks really good, you guys. Honeysuckle and Green Apple, Old Time Lemonade. Old Time Lemonade. I remember that one, I think. You know what? I don't know if that one's a repackage. I thought it was. Cotton Vanilla Breeze, Willow Tree Lane. And then we have Iced Sweet Tea. I think I'm most excited about that Iced Sweet Tea. And then Blooming Magnolia. So lots and lots of good ones. And then in the Willy Wonka, there's Tropical, there's Valentine's Day, and then there's Willy Wonka. So I don't know if I could lift this really quickly. This is the lights showing here. This is the Willy Wonka with all of the characters on it. So if you're brand new to Goose Creek and you haven't seen the Willy Wonka candles, this is what they look like. I love how they incorporated almost like a wallpaper in these. They're all different colors. They're absolutely beautiful. So we're going to talk about, we're starting to talk about the chocolate candles, which, as you know, I love chocolate candles. This one's a powerhouse. It literally had that whoosh of chocolate right when I lit it up. It is milk chocolate, chocolate icing, caramel, vanilla, and sugar. It smells to me just like chocolate frosting in a can. It's got that really rich, creamy chocolate note. I did pull River of Chocolate because this one's kind of similar. This one has more of a Nestle milk chocolate, whereas just the regular Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory has more of a fudgy note. I think it's funny. The Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory candle is what I imagine. It's the blue one, by the way. It's what I imagine the Chocolate Factory would smell like if you just... Here, I'm getting the picture. You guys. We still talk about the golden ticket candle, too. So this is the Chocolate Factory candle right here. So, like I said, it's what I imagine, when you walk through that door, the Chocolate Factory's going to smell like. It's going to smell just like a chocolate fudgy delight. And that's what this one is. This one's actually burning really hot and strong. I cannot believe how quickly I got my wax pool on here. And it's burning really, really heavy. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. It's like a heavy chocolate scent just wafting through the air. It's wonderful. So River of Chocolate with the Oompa Loompas. This one is actually molten milk chocolate, warm fudge, and vanilla cream, which is a little confusing because I actually think the blue candle smells more like fudge. I think this one's got a lot more vanilla cream in it. I would say this smells more like hot chocolate with a lot of cream added in. That's what I'm getting on this one. And like I said, the blue one smells like you get one of those frosting, the really milk chocolate, wonderful, maybe even dark chocolate cans of frosting, and you open it up, and you stick your nose in there, and that's what it smells like, which is always nice. So, like I said, there's a little bit of difference in the chocolate. I'm also going to talk about soon, hopefully, the actual golden ticket candle, which is equally delightful. So if you like chocolate, this collection is for you. Goose Creek truly has something for everyone right now. They just released those awesome bakery candles. I really want to review for you guys peanut butter and jelly. I keep smelling this one. Oh my gosh, that jam note in there is so good. So, lots of candles. Also, Goose Creek is doing a 5 for $55 sale, but it excludes the licensed candles. But it should include these new ones. And it should also, yeah, mix and match 5 for $55. So that's $11 a candle. Includes these new ones. Includes the tropical, the bakery, the Valentine's Day. Because there's some Valentine's Day candles in there too. So lots of candles from Goose Creek. Anyway, thank you so much to Goose Creek for gifting me these candles. They are a joy to review because you know how much I love Willy Wonka and the original. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have the Willy Wonka collection, let me know your favorites so far. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.